Hello, it's your boy, and I have camping now. And of course, check out this bad boy right there. It's called like this gaming, or I don't know. I don't call it Genesis. This plays on the console, on the Xbox One. So yeah, I joined playing Call of Duty thanks to this. It has a screen TV. It's like a free case. So yeah, pretty cool. You can do whatever you want playing the game, but it looks nice. So yeah. So yeah. Totally cool, totally amazing. Yeah, there's a strap into it. Should to hold on to it, but I have to make it tight. Yeah. Yeah. Tight. Hold on. And there we go. So yeah, it still works. This game works perfectly. Yeah, of course I bought this one because it connects to it. Now I enjoy playing Call of Duty in the middle of my vacation. Every vacation I want to go. So yeah.
Nice job, mate.
So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a good, wonderful, hell of a day, or hell of a night.
Meantime,
Peace.
you can see if anybody needs help.
Please like and subscribe.